beautiful people, it's your girl Chika Oputah. Welcome back to the channel, guys. Thank you so much. I have 248 subscribers and counting now. This is me basically in the market. Oh boy, people that vlog in the market. Now, well done. Oh. This was me basically pricing water leaf and okazi. Please tell me how much is water leaf per head in your area, my dear. It's hilarious here in PH, then crayfish. This woman was telling me with pressing 5,000, without pressing 4,000. That's their selling strategy. Oh boy, I couldn't vlog again before Azolum phone here. So this was me at the end. I came home. Whenever I come back from the market, my kids do the unpacking. Please, you go to market and cook that same day. Let me know. So this is basically me cooking 4 Nigerian soups: afang, okra, egusi, and banga in my own style. Please, I'm not a chef. Just look at how I cook mine, and if you like it, let me know. I have some Nigerian soups. I have a video dedicated for how to cook afang soup. Please, do well to go check out that video. Okra soup is every child's favorite, and I love to make it for my kids. My daughter likes afang too. Egusi soup. Every soup I make, I must add egusi. I must make egusi. So this is my omono. I grinded it like wet. I washed it and grinded it. So you could imagine the amount of dirt. Then this okra that I grinded. You see that part, you say, okra akaraka. If you're Igbo, you understand. When the okra is strong, no waste in my kitchen. I grind it and pour it before I put the chopped okra so that it will get done quick, if you know what I mean. Just see how beautiful, how green. At this point, the okra was as good as done, so I didn't stress myself. Then this was banga. I didn't want to bore anybody with the process. Cooking banga soup, it's not easy. To tell you that I can count how many times I've made banga soup, because it's not really my thing. Then this is the sumptuous egusi soup I made, and that was it.
2,000 years later.
Now this is Sunday. I couldn't go to church on Sunday. It was just my kids. So the normal routine on Sundays, as you guys watch my vlog, cook, assignments, catch up, sleep, rest. No much activities. So this is just basically me and my son. I give him a pre-nursery boy homework. It still sounds like to me, but what are we gonna do? So this is Sunday jollof. It's ready. This is not the biggest photo.
2,000 years later.
Then this is also me getting ready. The normal routine in a Nigerian home. I'm filming all this because I'm actually on my annual vacation, like I told you guys. So my son doesn't like toast. My daughter likes toast, so I was just beating egg to toast her own part. This was hers, and Madam, she always, Mommy, please give me this. She actually enjoyed it. And I just basically packed their lunch back to school. I put cereal on some days. I put bread and tea for my son on some days, maybe with pastries or anything. But this day, they're just having normally the previous Sunday rice. My son eats jollof rice. He doesn't like white rice. If you bring out white rice for him, he eats it without stew. Anything that has to do with stew, he will not take it. So this small leftover jollof, I put it for him, and I had to boil white rice for the sister. Oh boy, I don't know how I'm going to continue this, giving this person A and giving this person B. Please, if you have kids that don't eat the same thing, these children of mine, this A and B, they are 2 different people. My son uses left hand, my daughter uses right hand. We've tried our possible best, but I cannot keep myself. Because there's this notion that people that use left hand, you're always very brilliant. Because my son carry all the books and he can play ball. When he's playing ball, he's left in. It's actually very nice. So please, thank you guys for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Which part of the vlog do you like? Please don't forget to also comment and let's know your thoughts in the comment section. Okay, at this point, their lunch bag was ready, and we are heading to school as usual with our morning division on our way. After that, I proceeded back home. There was nothing much. It's just really a chill vlog.
Morning.
I dropped them off. I came back home to create some content and just watch. Hey beautiful people, welcome back to the channel. You guys must have seen the vlog. It was just little things that happened in this vlog. I cooked. Yeah, so I didn't even record. I didn't record the moment that I made. I didn't record the what did I even make Saturday morning? I really can't remember. Okay, fries. I was just there. I just lots of things to eat, drink. Okay, this is just me here. Intro. No, this is not intro. Outro of the vlog. Okay, I just thought to come and show you guys. I've been seeing my business. Then let me show you guys what I actually do. Yes, my business name is Accessories. On Instagram, it's an online store, and the other one is my dream business. It's actually my husband's business, but it's our business, you know. So I sell all kinds of accessories ranging from earrings, jewelries, your bangles, wristwatch, fashion rings, handbag. This is actually a Nigerian made bag. Then shoes, clutch purse, and the likes. Okay, and drinks. Yes, the drink business is actually we'll plan, sell, serve, and chill for you at your events. Yes, we do wholesale wherever in the country you are. Just hit us. As the festive season is fast approaching, just secure your slots. Yes, before the price skyrockets. You understand what I mean? So thank you guys for watching my video. Thank you so much. I really do appreciate it. I don't take any of this for granted. Also, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Wait, let me show you guys this amazing boyfriend shoe. I'm actually wearing it. This shoe is not the regular boyfriend shoe you see outside. This is not the regular boyfriend shoe. See that sole? I've won the life out of this shoe, and it's still like this. So patronize your girl. I'll leave the handle on the screen. Also, I'll leave. Yes, you can chat with us on WhatsApp, Instagram, DM. Drop a comment if you want to patronize, and tell me you're coming from YouTube, and I'll give you a discount. Okay? Thank you guys for watching. As always, please. I'm out of breath. I've spoken enough, so you need to patronize. Did you hear that? That's how solid the show is. Okay, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Please help us to grow on the streets. Anything to put extra coins in the bag, we are always readily available for you. Thank you guys for watching as always. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.